Today I'm building simple seed starters. You can use them to start seeds of trees, or you can also just use them for sprouting to put them in your salad. So it's very versatile and useful in many situations. Yeah, you can just take any glass you're playing around with the lid. Now I'm doing this in a bit of a fancy way, but you can also do it just with a knife. If you don't have a special drill available, you can also just use a knife. The edges are still quite sharp, so make sure you use a file, or you can also use sandpaper to just take a bit of the sharpness off. Once you have your lids ready, you need a bit of like a mesh. Or if you don't have a mesh, you can also use an old kitchen towel or whatever kind of cloth you have available. Just cut a small portion out of it and then lay it over your glass like this. Add the lid and you're done. If you add labels with just numbers, you can make simple lists and reuse them, and you don't have to redo the labels every time you put something new into the glass. Once you're done with your glasses, it's time to move on to the next step and put the seeds in. To remember what you put where, it's quite useful to make a list and then adjust the numbers accordingly. The best way to store seeds is in paper bags and then in the fridge, but unfortunately we didn't have any paper bags, so have to do with plastic. At least it's reusable many times. Just take the seeds and add them in the glass. Soaking the seeds in water increases the germination rate. Or if you're doing sprouts that you want to put in a salad, that's all you have to do. So now, because of this, you can just simply add water. And you let them sit. If you leave them in the water for too long, they can get moldy and, well, you will lose a lot of seeds. That's why it's important to change the water. And that's where the importance of this comes in. All you have to do is take the water out and refill it. Ideally every 12 hours, but yeah, it's not that scientific. And now you just fill all your glasses and let your seeds sprout. Remember to change the water though. And that's it. So, happy sprouting!